Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from DSJ to Binance. First, open the DSJ app or website. Now go to Wallet or Balance and select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Next, open Binance and go to Wallet. Then go to Fiat and Spot and select the crypto. Then tap Deposit, choose the same crypto and network and copy the wallet address carefully. After that, initiate the withdrawal on DSJ. Go to DSJ, select withdraw or send, then paste your Binance wallet address and enter the amount you want to send. Then check the network fees and crypto type. Confirm the details and submit the withdrawal. Next, wait for blockchain confirmation. Transfers can take minutes to hours depending on network congestion. Here, you can track the transaction using the TXID if available. Finally, log into Binance, go to Wallet, and then go to Fiat and Spot and ensure the funds arrive once the transaction confirms. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.